Hey guys, my name is George and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about computer science internships. Computer science internships right now are open at a lot of really large tech companies, and I just wanted to make a quick video to go over how you can get noticed in the application process. Today we're going to be talking about how you can get a computer science internship without any experience, how you can actually apply in an effective way, and how to ace the career fair. Saying that though, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. So, how do you get a computer science internship with no experience? That's a great question. Computer science internships, or internships in general, usually don't require a lot of professional work experience before going into them. Internships are usually the first part of work experience that you get when you're working. So the onus isn't on getting a ton of professional work experience, but work experience or some experience is still required. So what I mean about this is that you should have projects, something that you've done on the side outside of school that use the technology that this internship position you're applying to uses. So when I say that is that not only on your resume should these personal projects be listed, if it's a website, if it's an Android app, whatever you're doing, make sure that it's on your resume, and then also make sure that the languages and technologies that you use are on that as well. So you should have a clear description of the project that you made and the languages and technologies used. This means that a recruiter, when they're looking over your resume, can clearly see that your skills match up with the job description. So guys, how do we apply to a computer science internship? This is a really good question. And you could say the obvious thing like, oh, just apply online, right? Of course you're applying online. That's how you're sending the application off. So I just want to put that to bed, right? We're going to apply online. So the next thing I want to talk about is two little side things that you can do in addition to applying online that can increase your chances of getting noticed. So the first thing you can do is you can get a referral from someone inside the company. I would recommend this only if you really know the person inside that company, because actually making a referral is quite an in-depth process for that person who's referring you. They usually have to talk about in what capacity do they know you, right? Do they know you as a friend? Do they know you as family? All that kind of stuff. And then they have to write a lot about why they think you're worth looking over everyone else. So only do this first option if you really think that this person at the company can vouch for you. The second thing is to use a recruiter's email address to your advantage. Saying this, please email any recruiter email address that you see on the company's career page or the company's job listing. It may say something like, for more information about this position, please email this address, right? Always email that address, say that you're really excited to work at the company, that you just sent off your application, and please include your resume and cover letter. This, in my opinion, gives you two ways to get noticed. The online application, which you've already sent out, and this email in someone's mailbox. It's a win-win in my opinion, because in both cases, you sent out an application, and if they disregard the email, your application's still out there, right? I think it's totally fine. Now let's talk about career fairs. Career fairs are a great way for the companies to get to know you better and for you to get to know the company better. So you can see if you'd be a good match for them and they can see if they'd be a good match for you. Saying that though, I think there are some great ways, if a conversation is going really well with a recruiter, that you can capitalize on that. So the first way you can capitalize on this is by giving them a laminated copy of your resume. This makes you look super prepared for the career fair and also gives that recruiter something to kind of think about, right? They can now kind of look back at this laminated resume and think, wow, I remember this person, super nice to talk to. Let me check their application status, right? Or what you can do is you can ask for the recruiter's email. If a conversation is going really well with the recruiter, they might give you their work email. So you can email them after you've applied saying you're really excited and you can't wait to hear back. Reference my last tip for that one. Saying that though, I think these are two great strategies to become more noticed during the application process. So guys, I wanted to wrap this up on how to get a computer science internship. I wanted to make this video to make sure that your application gets seen now that all the companies are opening up their applications. Saying this, please feel free to like and subscribe if you like the content. I wish you guys all the best luck in your application process, and I'll see you in the next video.